Here's the beautiful red cardinal. He's eating through my bird feeder there in the backyard. And he is absolutely gorgeous. He comes daily. I love feeding him. I love birds. They're so peaceful. If you saw my other video, red cardinals, this is a male, represents, there's a culture belief, myth, that when you see a red cardinal, your loved one that recently passed away is visiting you. So in my other short, he's more, you can see it a little bit more clearer, but he's a beautiful bright red, gorgeous. The red cardinal was my mother's favorite bird. Beautiful red cardinal right there. Enjoy.